Hello everyone. Today we are going to start with task 5. So we go to pages 62 and 63 and we're going to start with exercise 1. Okay, exercise number 1 says look and complete. Here we've got the names of the seasons: autumn, spring, summer, and winter. Number 1 says, we go swimming in the autumn, spring, summer, or winter. Number 2, it says, we play with the leaves in the. Number 3, we celebrate Christmas in the. In which season? And number 4, we ride our bikes in the. You should choose one of the words for the seasons, okay? It's easy. Now we go to exercise number 2. It says, look and match. Remember, you should look at the pictures and then match it, the beginning of each sentence with the end of the sentences. You should draw a line, okay, from the beginning to the end of the sentences. I'm going to read them. 1. Build a snowman. This is build a snowman. Maybe in the spring, in the summer, in the autumn, or in the winter. 2. Fly a kite. Which one of these is fly a kite? This one. Very good. Number 3. Pick flowers. This one is pick flowers. And number 4 is don't wear shoes. Here it is, don't wear shoes. So we should match the beginning of the sentence with in the spring, in the summer, in the autumn, or in the winter. Okay. Now we go to page 63. And start with exercise number 1. Okay. It says, look and match. We should look at the pictures, then we should read. Of course, we should read the sentences and match. In this case, we are going to match writing numbers. Okay, we should write numbers here in these squares. For example, I want my sunglasses. Look, is it number 1? Is it number 2? Is it number 3 or number 4? Yes, I want some lemonade. Number 1, number 2, number 3, or number 4? Next one is I want my gloves. Which one is it? Number 1, 2, 3, or 4? And the last one is I want my raincoat. Is it number 1, 2, 3, and 4? Do you remember what was a raincoat? Remember the flashcards we were watching the last day? Now we go to exercise number 2. And in exercise number 2, it says, read and complete. So we should read these sentences and complete with the word umbrella, scarf, or sandals. Number 1. It's hot. I want my umbrella, my scarf, or my sandals. I don't want my. Number 2. It's raining. I want my. I don't want my. Number 3. It's snowing. I want my. And I don't want my. Another thing, you should choose between these 3 words. Okay? And exercise number 3 says, write sentences in your notebook. As you don't have a notebook, you can write sentences in a piece of paper, or maybe in your book, if there is enough place. These sentences are similar to the sentences in exercise number 2. It's hot. I want my sandals. I don't want my umbrella. I don't want my scarf. Okay? So read at least one more like this. Okay? One more sentence like this. And maybe we will see this exercise number 3 in our online class. Okay? So prepare the sentences for the online class, please. So that's it. Oops. Sorry. It's finished. Okay? So bye bye. Keep learning. See you.